Hi, today we'll have a look at how to use the HR database template. We'll start by hiding the top ribbon to have more space. Perfect. First, let's go into the settings page. This page allows you to set up basic parameters that will apply to the data later on. First, you can select your language. And further down, you can set up the company time sections. Here we have 0 to 2 years, 2 to 5 years, and 5 to 10 years. After that, we have the salary range sections and the age groups. Further down, we have a data list for gender, status, type of contract, and employment status. Let's go to the Translation tab. As you can see, we have 3 standard languages that are already set up in the tool: English, French, and Portuguese. And we have a slot for 4th language. Next, the Roles tab. This is a list of all job titles. Let's add a new one. Great. The last section under the settings is the Departments page. This is a list of all departments. Once again, we'll add a new one. Great. Moving on to the second section, the HR database. This is the main data input section where we enter the list of all employees. Let's add a new record together. We'll call our new employee John Smith and give him a document number. We'll assign him a dummy email and a phone number. We'll give him a date of birth, and his age will auto-calculate. Moving on, we'll assign him a gender. We can even enter his address. For this exercise, we'll leave this blank. We'll then assign him his role and department. We'll set up his type of contract as permanent and employment status as full-time. We'll enter his salary and indicate the hire date. If he's left the company, we can indicate a departure date here. The company time in years will auto-calculate. Finally, the status. We'll set him up as active. Great! We're now ready to look at the results. First thing to do is hit the refresh button to ensure the latest data is being shown. Great. As you can see, under the refresh button, a list of slicers allow you to filter the data to visualize in the dashboard. You can, for example, choose to only visualize active employees, or only employees that belongs to a specific department, or only part-time and students. Let's look at the dashboard itself now. First thing we see is a series of important HR metrics. We have the total salary, the average age, the permanent rate, turnover rate, the gender diversity ratio, the total staff count, and the number of employees that left. The donut chart in the middle indicates the total head count and the gender split. Further down, we have a breakdown of number of employees per status, per department, per role, per type of contract, per employment status. Then further down, we have the number of employees by company time, by salary range, and by age group. And that's it. You know everything you need to know about our HR database template, and you're ready to start using it now. Enjoy!